this, a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice.
I'm Legally Blind, and today I did my quick weave for the first time, and it took me longer than what it should have. I did start off with using some of that liquid cap, and I blow dried that down, and then I started the process of putting on my cap. So putting on the cap, it was an extra large one. I have a shunt, so I wanted to make sure I had enough room and it wasn't tight up on my head. Sure, I cut out those ear tabs because that is very important. That is what the girls on TikTok and YouTube said, so I had to take care of that. Then the next morning, I started with doing these 18 inches in the back, and I think this is 18, 16, and 14 inches. So since I am legally blind, the worst part about doing this quick weave, honestly, is messing around with this glue. I had glue all over my hands, but it's the hot comb to kind of press down where my part is at, and I think it turned out cute. Did use a bit of water and curl cream for the curls. All I know is next time that I do this style, I'm definitely going to have my husband wait so he can help me place them, because it took me so much longer. This is supposed to be a quick weave, it's supposed to be quick. I should have took 30 minutes to handle this, but give me a couple more times. That I do like about the style is that I did frame my face pretty well. Like, they're not just jaggedly in the front. I kind of curved them upwards when I got up here. With the leave out, I feel like I left a good amount out, but all in all, this style don't have to do.